Today is our last day. Look at our view. Palm Beach Hotel, you have been very kind. Food was great, room was good, ambiance was amazing. Very good experience here in Palm Beach Hotel and Resort in Kuta, Bali, Indonesia. It's almost 12, but since our flight's still at late in the evening at 10 p.m, we will request for our bags to be left at the counter so that we can tour more the beauty of Bali for the last time. Let's go! 100 lang? 150? 100? 200? 300? 1 million.
This 1 million, yeah?
1 million.
97. I give you 100, you give me back small money, another
25? How much?
another
3,000.
10,000. 10,000 back.
Sorry? 1.6, right? 1.6. 1
Yeah.
million 600.
This
600.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah? This 1 million.
500.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 500 and 6. This and 100.
Okay.
This all 1,600,000.
600. How
This
much
one?
will I give you? 2,500.
Oh yes, 2017.
2,500.
You give me back another 10,000. 1,017. Yeah? You have small money?
Huh?
You have small money back?
Yeah.
Rupiah? Rupiah?
Yeah.
Rupiah.
Yeah, have.
You have small money?
Have.
This one, 1,600,000.
2,000.
No,
wait. No. This one.
That one is 20,000.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
10,000.
500 han.
No.
A coin.
Coin.
Yeah, I have coin.
This one. Wait, yeah? This 1,600,000.
No, I combine already.
Yeah. This. Huh?
6.
Not 2,000.
Huh?
1,000.
50.
Is 1,600,000 minus
Minus
25.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct. Thank you very much. Okay? Yes. Okay.
You don't have receipt?
Yeah.
the shit I don't have.
You don't have that.
Yeah. Minus.
1,597,000, yeah? Okay.
Ipabalik mo.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Udah, ayun na lang. Minus.
Oh, it's locking.
Why?
1, 2,
Ilan mo nila?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
10.
10.
Why?
Thank you.
How come?
Like they say, you can't trust everybody.
Laro kayo no, ihap-ihap mo.
Hello. Singapore?
150.
150. 1567. You have receipt? Gojek. For easy transportation all over in Indonesia at a very affordable price.
And the area code.
Gojek. It's Gojek. App can be downloaded via iOS.
Ambul siya diri. Muna ba?
Magduwa mi, palit mi yung card. 100,000 ang card, tapos ang load kay plus 10%, so 110,000. Apparently, first time na mo nga magduwa og mga ingato og arcade. 6 years, 5 years namin uyab. Minit na mi. First time pa to na mo kaduwa og arcade.
Wala tanan to gusto.
We are flying back tonight and we just witnessed one of the most beautiful sunsets in our lifetime. So nice. It's because of her birthday.
Birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Bali. You have been kind to us. You have been beautiful.
Thank you. Nagkagapon sa sunset and the weather was so nice.
The weather was great. Wala gid nagulan.
We
Very
waited
nice.
for the sun and he never failed us.
Actually, yesterday we thought nga kaninga side kay east. So gawait mig sunrise. Turns out na despikas west day ni, which is much better kay sunset.
Yeah!
Kano sa tamamalik?
Next month.
Next month. Maglupad na mi niya. Bye.
Bye!